We will study the induced EMF in coils. Connect the coils to a voltage sensor. Hold the bar magnet 10 cm above the upper coil with its north pole facing downwards. Start data logging and release the magnet. Repeat the experiment with a weaker magnet. Release the magnet from a higher position. Release the magnet with its south pole facing downwards. Compare the voltage time graphs obtained.